Guys, we have in a really special car. We got in the new Bronco. I love this color. This is called Cactus Gray. It looks a lot like the Avalanche Gray from 4Raptor. Not exactly Avalanche Gray, but it's very close. I say like 98%. It's a really cool color. Definitely recommend it. But the reason why this is in is because we're actually going to be lifting this Bronco. We're doing a coilover kit. That means that we can go bigger tires than even these that you see here, because these are kind of small. That's nice.
I mean, the way it's built is really nice. Anodized aluminum.
A few hours later, we're done with the coilovers and even managed to throw on some new wheels on the Bronco. It didn't seem like much at first, but the new height adjustment is definitely noticeable. Rides great too. It feels solid and planted despite the taller setup. New wheels are the VenomRex VR601BL in coal black on 35s. Great looking spoke design, and the classic satin black finish is always a no-brainer. Despite this being a Sasquatch Bronco with the wider fenders, these wheels still sit out aggressively, giving you that beefier stance. We have a bunch of these wheels in stock for the Bronco in all finishes, so hit us up while supplies last.